How to download DeepSeek AI on PC. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to this one website, Olama. Launch your preferred browser and in the search box type in Olama. Now navigate to the very first one website option, olama.com. Open it. You will be directed to this page, getting up and running with large language models. Click on the option download. You're gonna find different device option. Select the one in which you are going to download. I'm gonna select Windows. Click on download. With that, download process will start. Once completion of its download process, you will need to launch it. Then you have to go through the installation process. After you complete this, now you will see different versions available, ranging from 1.5 billion to 8 billion parameters. The bigger the model, the better its performance, but also the more GPU power it requires. If you're just testing, I recommend starting with the 1.5B version. Now let's run the model. Open your command line, search for terminal. After it appears, open it. Now over here you have to paste the command prompt. The first time you run this, it might take a while to load, but once it's set up, you are good to go. Now that the model is running, you can start chatting with it just like ChatGPT. So here I'm gonna give it a prompt. Just within few seconds, it's gonna provide the response. If the AI starts generating a super long response and you want to stop it, simply press Ctrl+C, and when you are done, type exit and hit enter to shut down the AI model. And that's it. Now you know how to install and run DeepSeek AI locally on your computer. If you want to run this again, what you can do is search for terminal. Here again, paste the command prompt. And now you are able to use it. So that's a wrap for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI related content. Thanks for watching.